Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to enable call notifications on Messenger. If you've ever missed an important call because your notifications weren't showing up, this quick step-by-step process will fix that. By the end, you'll have everything set up properly so you never miss another Messenger call again. Let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. You'll find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer, depending on your device. This is where you can access all the controls for apps and notifications on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you every application installed on your device. From here, you'll be able to manage exactly how each app sends you alerts. Now, find and tap on Messenger. Since this is the app where your calls are coming in, we'll be adjusting its notification settings directly within your phone system, rather than only inside the Messenger app itself. Once you're inside the Messenger settings, go ahead and tap on Notifications. This will take you to a page where you can enable or disable different types of alerts related to Messenger activities. After that, look for notification categories. This option allows you to control specific kinds of alerts, like messages, group chats, and most importantly, calls. Tap on it to open the available categories. Finally, toggle on calls. This is the key step that ensures you'll see and hear notifications whenever someone tries to call you on Messenger. Make sure the switch is turned on, and you can also double-check if sound and pop-up alerts are enabled so you won't miss them. And that's it! You've successfully enabled call notifications on Messenger. From now on, when a contact calls you through the app, your phone will immediately alert you, giving you enough time to answer without delay. Staying connected is important, and with these settings turned on, you can always stay on top of your Messenger calls without worrying about missed alerts. If this helped you, take a moment to set it up right now so you never miss an important conversation again.